Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the mini triangles stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains and how to make the double crochet stitch. I have videos on both of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make an even number of chains. I have already made 24 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 double crochet into the 3rd chain from your hook. Now we're going to start our sequence around this double crochet you had just made into the space to the right of it right here. You're going to make a double crochet. So it's going to go over the one you just made into that space to the right of it and just make a double crochet like normal around that stitch. Now we're going to skip 1 chain into this next one, make a double crochet, and we're going to repeat that same thing around this double crochet you just made into this space to the right of it, make a double crochet. Now skip 1 chain into this next one, make a double crochet. Then into this space to the right of the double crochet you just made, make a double crochet. So it's going to go over that stitch you just made. And again, skip 1 chain into this next one, make a double crochet. Then into the space to the right of this stitch you just made, so this space right here, make a double crochet. So you can see how those little mini triangles are forming. So you're going to repeat this sequence of skipping 1 chain into the next one, make a regular double crochet. Then over the double crochet you had just made into this space to the right of that stitch, you're going to make a double crochet over that stitch. You're going to repeat this sequence until you reach the end of this row. When you get to the end of this row and you only have 1 chain left, work 1 double crochet by itself into that last chain to complete this row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 2 chains. These 2 chains will count as a double crochet stitch. So this row is going to be the same as row 1. We're just going to be working into stitches instead of chains. You're going to skip the first stitch. So into this next one right here, you're going to make a double crochet. Then same thing like our last row, over the double crochet you just made into this space directly to the right of it, you're going to make a double crochet. Then you'll be skipping 1 stitch into this next one, make a double crochet. You can see how the sequence is going to start repeating. Over this double crochet you just made into this space directly to the right, make a double crochet. Skip 1 stitch into this next stitch, make a double crochet. Into this space directly to the right of the double crochet you just made, make a double crochet over that stitch. Skip 1 stitch into this next one, double crochet. Then in this space to the right of this double crochet you just made, make a double crochet. So you can see how those little mini triangles are looking. It's going to be the same sequence as our last row, into stitches instead of chains. So you'll be skipping 1 stitch into this next one, make a double crochet. Then over the double crochet you just made into the space to the right of that stitch, make a double crochet into that space over that previous double crochet you had just made. You'll now repeat this sequence until you reach the end of this row. When you get to the end of your row and you only have one stitch left, work one double crochet by itself to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the mini triangles stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.